Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a hooded towel. And so we're going to embroider a design on the hood of the towel, and we're going to use two towels, one being this yellow hand towel, and the size of this towel is 16-inch width by 26-inch long. We're going to be using this towel to make the hood, and as well as we're going to use this brown towel to make the body of the hooded towel. And the dimensions of this towel is 30 inches in width by 54 inches in length. And I picked these two towels up from Walmart. And so we're going to go ahead and embroider our design on this towel. And let me show you what our design is going to be. Okay, here is the design we're going to be putting on the hood of the towel, and it is cute as a button. So we're going to hoop the towel, and I will be using my Brother multi-needle machine. So let's hoop the towel. Okay, so we're going to hoop the towel. And what we're going to use is a piece of tearaway stabilizer along with some, I don't know what this is called, but this goes on top of the design. Water soluble. We're going to be using that. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this towel in half, just like this. And we're going to hoop it on the right sides. Well, what we're going to do is the tag is going to be on the back, so we're going to do it like this. Open this. Okay, and we are going to put the towel, going to center it, so fold it in half. And the center, let's get a little piece of chalk to mark the center of the towel. So we're going to use this little piece of chalk, and I'm going to put a little mark here and here. Okay, so I'm going to lay this on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave some of this towel up because we want our design to be all the way on the bottom of this. Okay, so we are going to do it like this. Okay, make sure this is in here really tight. And so it sounds like a drum, so that's going to be tight. So we have this hooped, and today I will be using my 8x9 mighty hoop. And let's take this over to the machine. Okay, before we take this over to the machine, let's lightly spray the back of this with some 505 spray and put our tearaway stabilizer on the back here. Now, let's go to the machine. Okay, we are over here at the machine, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a trace. Okay, and what we're going to do, let's move this design down some. Okay, so let's trace it one more time. Okay, so this looks about right. So we're going to go ahead and start our design up. Okay, also before we start, I am going to cut a piece of this water soluble stabilizer to go on top of the design. So I'm just going to cut a little piece of this off. Not about that much. Let me go over here to the table and cut this. Okay, so I have got this cut, and we are just going to slide it up under here, and I'm not going to pin it or tape it down or anything like that, because I think it's going to be okay. I'm going to kind of hold it with my chopstick. All right, let's get started. And this total stitch out is going to be 33 minutes. And I purchased this design from design site JuJu. Thread that I wanted to print. So orange is on number 3. Okay, our design is finished, so let's take it off the hoop and move over to the table. Okay, so we are going to take our water soluble stabilizer off, and we can just pull this off just like this. Comes off pretty easy. And I'm going to save this piece maybe for later. And then let's take this off the hoop. Okay. Ooh. move this out of the way. All right, so this part is just a tear away. So we're going to just tear this away. And you could have used a cutaway, but there's no need because this towel is pretty thick. So I'm going to just tear this away. And when we get through, we're actually going to, when we make the hood, this is going to be the hood of the towel. We are actually going to enclose this design so you won't see it anyway. Okay, so there's this. And okay, and so here's our tags on this side, which I'm going to cut that off. And what we're going, and this is going to be our hood. So this is, and then as far as this water soluble, you can just go in there and just kind of like pull that off. Or you can take a, I do have a little thing of spray water, and you can like mist it and just wipe it away with a towel. You get a towel. And it'll just kind of like melt away. Just like that. Okay. And so this is part 1 of our hooded towel, and there will be a part 2, and we will sew this together and sew this on the other part of the towel. Thank you for watching, and if you like the contents of my video, please consider subscribing. Thank you.